Good morning, Namaskar. I'm Renmoy on behalf of Share Ravinder Society. Welcome you all to this great idea sharing platform that is ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Today I'm here again to share with you all a great idea from the chapter for English, chapter 4, class 3 of UP board. Here what I am talking about is of future envisioning. Future envisioning helps students in inducing and understanding about the various professions and leads students to assess their interest and build on it. The duration that has been decided for the activity to be completed is of 20 minutes. Okay, and what are the concepts can be covered through this innovative idea that is of naming words. Okay, the educator will use future envisioning to introduce students to various occupations by arranging a visit by various professionals at school. Okay, what are the pre-arrangements necessary for the to add to this activity to be implemented in the classroom? Like the educator needs to make the following arrangements in the classroom: invite a fruit seller to the class. Okay, ask the fruit seller to bring some fruits and vegetables with him in a basket. Then how they should revising the concepts where the vocabulary and the naming words under the idea of future envisioning. Inform students that today they will be meeting and engaging in a discussion with a fruit seller. Then a discussion between the professionals and the students in the following manner: ask students to greet the fruit seller after their entry. Okay, request the fruit seller to introduce himself or herself while keeping the basket containing with fruits and vegetables in front of it. Ask the fruit seller to tell the children how he brings vegetables and fruits from the wholesale market and sells them in the market or in the market daily. Okay, fruit seller. I am a fruit and vegetable seller. I buy fruit and vegetables from the big market. I clean them and arrange them on my cart for selling. Many people come to my cart and buy vegetable and fruits, but 10 at night return back to home after selling all my vegetables. So this will encourage students related to their name. This kind of professionals, they can come and encourage the students with their work, that how much passionate and how much hard worker they are, and hard work always gives results. Then encourage students to him or her related to their name as such. What is your name? What do you sell? What do you sell your vegetables, or where do you sell your vegetables, like that. And it can be concluded by expressing gratefulness along with the students for paying a visit to the school campus and enlightening students about selling and buying fruits and vegetables. Through this innovative idea implementation, the learning outcomes that can be achieved, they are expressed orally, his or her understanding about the story and characters in the story in English home language. Use meaningful short sentences in English orally and in writing. Uses a variety of nouns, pronouns, etc. Then as per NCF 2005 stresses that the school should be able to create a social temper, and agencies offering work opportunities outside the school should be formally recognized. The duration of the implementation of the innovative idea is based on the assumption that people-teacher ratio should be constant at 30:1. So likewise, many innovative idea can be shared with you through our channel of ZIIEI, and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get future updates, and again please download our app of Innovative Pathshala to access the more innovative ideas likewise. Thank you very much for listening to my video. Namaskar.